Hi guys, JM De La Cruz here, your financial MIU. Meron akong gustong i-share about the truth of life that our family or school never taught us is once you stop working, you stop earning, and yet you will never stop spending. Kung bata ka man ngayon, most of us started working at the age of 20, tapos magre-retire tayo at the age of 60. We would have 20, 30, 40 years left in this world. So imagine from 20 to 60 years old, you are only given 40 years to prepare, to save, to utilize the energy that you have to create money. And by the time you reach 60, 70, 80, imagine the next 20, 30, 40 years with no income. Habang tumatanda tayo, nagiging malaki yung gastos natin dahil sa gamot, sa maintenance, lalo kung hindi mo iniingatan yung sarili mo ngayon. Imagine, pag tumanda tayo, gusto natin ng magandang buhay, gusto natin enjoyin yung future kasi nga matanda na tayo. Karamihan sa atin gusto na lang na mag-relax, mag-travel. So if you're not really prepared something right now for your retirement, regardless of how much money you're earning right now, mahirapan ka. Kasi isipin mo yun, pagdating mo ng 60, 70, 80, konti na lang yung opportunity mo para kumita ng pera. Konti na lang yung energy mo. At lalong-lalo na yung time mo. So, be prepared.